Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Next, I will put about e for the both sides. And we know that e to the power of f and s, you got about s. Now, we need to do first the derivative of this one. And we have the u equals to the s over s. So, in this situation, I will put about s over s gone here. So this one we change by u. S in here we change by e to the power of u. The s over s we change by the u. The next one, we need to change the bounds of number 0 and number 1. When s equals to number 0, that's it from here. And now we put number 0 cone here, and we can see that u will go to negative infinity. When s equals to number 1, that's it from here. So we put number 1 cone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. So number 1 we change by number 0. Number 0 we change by negative infinity. Now we can use another integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to negative dt. Now we need to change the bounds. When u approach to negative infinity, that means t will go to positive infinity, because we put this one gone here. So negative and negative, they cancel the sign. That's why we have t approach to positive infinity. When u equals to number 0, we put number 0 gone here, and t equals to number 0. So this one we have positive infinity. This one we keep the same. U we change by negative t. Du we change by negative dt. Next, this is about even power. That means negative t to the power of 2020. We have t to the power of 2020. Because we have the negative sign, so we can swap the top and the bottom together, and we have like this. So in this situation, we can use about Laplace Transformation. So the formula should be like this. So f of t, that is about t to the power of 2020. Because we have negative number 1, that means h equals to number 1 in here. So if we apply about Laplace transformation, f of t that is about this one in here. So that should be about t to the power of n. And this one we have n factorial over h to the power of n plus 1. Now, in this situation, we can see that n equal to 2020, and now we have h equals to number 1. So in this situation, we have 2020 factorial over h to the power of 2020 plus 1. And we have the h that equals to number 1. Now, we put number 1 goal here to change for h in here. So we simplify and we just have only this one. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.